Here are 5 questions to ask before you buy a home that most people forget. Number 1, why is the seller moving? Why is this important? Because if they're relocating for a job, their timeline is going to be shorter. And if your timeline is 45 to 60 days, that might not be the right property for you. Number 2, what's included in the sale? Do the high-end washer and dryer, the place set in the back, the storage shed, do those items stay, or is the seller taking them? Number 3, are there any known issues with the home? And you'll find this out by looking at the seller's disclosure. So if it's something such as a renovation, well, you may want to ask for reports of who did the work. What are the receipts? Is there any warranty? Things of that nature. Number 4, what's the neighborhood like? Now, the seller is not going to tell you, so you want to make sure that you do your research as far as visit the home at different times and days, just so you can get a vibe of what the neighborhood is. And if you really want to know, go ask the neighbors, because they'll tell you. Number 5, how long has the home been on the market? That's going to tell you if you're interested how to structure the offer or the sense of urgency. If it's been on the market 2 days and there's a bunch of showings, there's a lot of traffic through the open house, well, that's going to tell you that the home is priced to where it needs to be, and it's probably going to go quickly, and it's probably going to be multiple offers. Asking the right questions is important, and you want to do as much research as you can ahead of time before you make the offer, and then have buyer's remorse and then want to figure out how you can get out of the contract.